Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling the phone's built-in secure folder so your apps and files are isolated. Go straight to Settings, then Security or Privacy, and tap Secure Folder to start. You'll be asked to sign in with your Google account. Do that now to link the container. Once signed in, create a lock method. Choose a PIN, pattern, or fingerprint for quick access. Make sure the lock is strong but memorable. This protects the folder and allows safe app transfers in the next step. Now add content into the secure folder so it's protected. Tap Add Apps to import copies of installed apps. These run separately from the regular phone. Use Add Files to move photos, documents, and recordings. Select Move to secure the original inside the folder. Once items are inside, organize with shortcuts on the folder home screen and adjust notification permissions so sensitive alerts stay hidden. Remember that some apps may require re-login inside the folder. That's intentional to keep separate credentials and data isolation. To finish, lock and exit the secure folder and test reopening with your PIN, pattern, or fingerprint to confirm access. Enable the folder's backup option to store encrypted backups tied to your Google account so you can restore if you change devices. If something goes wrong, an app won't open or crashes. Reinstall that app inside the secure folder or clear its secure folder data and re-add the files. This resolves most isolation conflicts. Make sure system updates are applied. They often fix permission or stability issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.